We are approaching the acceleration lane. You see the yellow line on the left? You want to get your speed up while you're in this yellow line so you can merge into the flow of traffic safely. I'm getting to the end of my yellow line. I'm getting my speed up. I'm checking my mirrors. Make sure it's safe to merge into the flow of traffic. It's not safe. Gotta slow down here. Okay, my speed is up enough for me to get right behind the Walmart truck. I check my mirrors and I merge into the flow of traffic safely. Okay, we are approaching the deceleration lane. It is not the same as the acceleration lane. Okay, here we go. By the time you reach this yellow lane on your left, you should be down to 15 to 20 miles an hour. Decelerating around the bend. You cannot speed around this bend. It is designed for deceleration, not acceleration.